8 a.m. The sun rises over the estate. A new day begins. Just one tap. Yarbo takes over lawn duty. Morning coffee while the robot works? Pure bliss. Smart navigation, edge trimming, and flawless mowing. Mission complete. Yarbo returns to charge. 3 p.m. A clean, safe playground for kids and pets. Sunset dinner in a space that's all mine. The day winds down. Yarbo starts patrolling mode. The lawn is clean and refreshed. Yarbo, built for those who own more than just land. Reclaim your time. Redefine lawn care.